सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वंदे वाल्मीकि कोकिलम्। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। 83-उत्तर-300तमी कक्षा, 383rd क्लास टुडे। जनवरी मासस्य 4th दिनाङ्कः। नूतन संवत्सरे वयं सर्वे वर्तामहे। इतः पूर्वं मया विस्मृतं स्यात् सर्वेभ्यः पाठकेभ्यः नूतन वर्षस्य शुभाशयान् वितरन् वयं संक्षेप रामायणम् अत्र अस्माभिः पठ्यमानमस्ति। जानन्ति भवन्तः एतावत् पर्यन्तं कति श्लोकाः श्रीनिवास? एतावत् पर्यन्तं सार्ध 140 श्लोकाः पठिताः अस्माभिः। 100 श्लोकेषु सार्ध 140 श्लोकाः पठिताः सन्ति, पूर्णतया पठिताः सन्ति। अद्य 240तमः श्लोकस्य अपरार्धभागं पठामः। पठ्यताम्। हन धातु given copy. Acha, okay, read. You show. You can show them. Hana dhatu. Please look into the note supplied in your monitors. Hana dhatu. Srinivas will read in the lati in the present tense. Hanti. Gnanti. Hanti hataha gnanti. Second madhyama purusha hansi hataha hatha. Uttama purusha hanmi hanvaha hanmaha. So hana samharane, in killing, this dhatu is asked to be derived in 3 lakaras: lati, ruti and langi. Lut is so we have given the lut form now. Just now they are seeing on the monitors. Hanti hataha gnanti hansi hataha hatha hanmi hanvaha hanmaha. Hanmi nama, I kill. Aham na kamapi hanmi, I don't kill anyone. Athava Ramaha Ravanam hanti. Devaha asuram hanti. Iti vakyani bhavitum arhanti. Hana dhatoho punaha ruti bhavishyati rupani kriyapada rupani evam bhavishyanti. Hanishyati, hanishyataha, hanishyanti, hanishyasi, hanishyatha, anishyatha, hanishyami, hanishyavaha, hanishyamaha. एतद् अत्यन्तं सरलमस्ति, यतोहि भविष्यतिवत्। यदि छात्राः भूधातोः लृटि भविष्यत् रूपाणि जानन्ति, स्मरन्ति चेत् एतदपि एतानि रूपाणि समानानि भवन्ति। हनिष्यति, अनिष्यतः, अनिष्यन्ति, अनिष्यति इति सरल। इदानीं पुनः हन् धातोः लङ्गि रूपं भूत अनद्यतन भूति। अहन् अहताम् अघ्नन् अघ्नन् अहन् रामः रावणम् अहन् राम किल्ड रावण अहन् किल्ड मध्यम पुरुष अगेन अहन् अहन् अहतम् अहत उत्तम पुरुष अहनम् अहन्व अहन्म इति लङ्गि रूपाणि भवन्ति। पुनः तत्र दृश् धातोः रूपाणि अपि पठ्यन्ताम्। You can read the drush. Now another verb coming up for your exercise is drush liti lungicha. Lungi is very rare, but we have supplied the notes here for your reference, so you can read.
Liti drush dhatu.
The liti means in the perfect tense. Okay.
Dadarsha dadrushatuhu.
Dadrushatu dadarsha dadrushatuhu dadrushuhu dadrushuhu iti prathama purusha ekavachan dvivachan bahuvachan. Dadarsha dadrushatuhu dadrushuhu madhyama purusha. Dadarshitha. Dadarshitha is a singular and there is a double form. Dadrastha. Dadrastha. Second, Dvivachanam Dadru Shathuhu. Dadru Shathuhu and Dadrusha. Very rarely these are used. Uttama Purusha, Dadarsha, repeated. What is Prathama Purusha Ekavachana is the same as Uttama Purusha Ekavachana. Dadrushiva, Dadrushima iti Han dhatoho langi rupani. Liti rupani. Punaha kim asti? Lung. Liti lungi. Samanya bhutakale lunga. So, Adarshat. Two forms are Adarshat, Adrakshit. Adrakshit iti kriyapadasya upayogah drishyate. Bahusha. Adrakshit. Adarshat iti ekam rupam, Adrakshit iti anyat rupam. Rupadvayam atra. Eka ismin pratama purushasya ekavachane. Punaha dvivachane api rupadvayam asti tatra. Patatu. Adrastam, Adarshatam, Adrastam iti rupadvayam. Bahuvachane? Adrakshuhu. Adarshan, Adrakshuhu iti prathama purusha bahuvachane rupadvayam. Madhyama purushe. Adarshaha, Adrakshihi iti dirgham. Punaha Dvivachanam Adarshatam Adrastam. Punaha Madhyama Purusha Bahuvachanam Adarshata Adrasta iti. Uttama Purushe? Yes. Adarsham Adraksham. Adarshava Adrakshva. Punaha bahuvachane uttama purusha adarshama adrakshma iti katinameva satyam lung prayogah katinamasti prayoga katinah asti parantu pataniyah smaraniyah smartavyah asmabhi sarvaihi. So evam sampurya han दृश्य एतयोः द्वयोः धातोः पठनानन्तरं रूपाणि दृष्ट्वा वयं नूतनं श्लोकं पठामः. 24 श्लोकस्य अर्धः भागः इतः पूर्वं पठितः अस्माभिः. सुतीक्ष्णं पठेत्. सुतीक्ष्णं चाप्यगस्त्यं च पुनः पठेत्. सुतीक्ष्णं चाप्यगस्त्यं च अगस्त्यभ्रातरं च. अगस्त्य इति दीर्घ नास्ति. अगस्त्यवचनाच्चैव जग्राहैन्द्रं साधु. खड्गम च परमप्रीतस्तूणी चाक्षयसायको. पदच्छेदं कुर्मः. अगस्त्य वचनात् च एव जग्राह ऐन्द्रं शरासनम्. खड्गम च परमप्रीतः तूणी च अक्षयसायकौ. पदपरिचय. पदम अगस्त्य वचनात् अकारान्त नपुंसकलिंग. जग्राह ग्रह इति धातु प्रयोग एकवचन. ऐन्द्रम अकारान्त नपुंसक द्वितीय एकवचन. शरासनम खड्गम परमप्रीतः अकारान्त समस्त पदम. तूणी द्वितीय द्विवचनम. तूणी तूणी ही तूणी तूणयः इति. अर्थं पश्यामः. अक्षयसायकौ
अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग द्वितीय द्विवचनं
समस्तम् तूणिः इति शब्दः अस्ति पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः तूणिः तस्य तूणी इति इदानीं कवि आकाङ्क्षा रामः इति तत्र अवगतः जग्राह कीदृशः रामः जग्राह व्हाट टाइप ऑफ राम took accepted जग्राह means accepted or took
परम प्रीतः रामः जग्राह
highly pleased Rama accepted or took किम जग्राह what did he take or what did he accept
शरासनं जग्राह
शरासनं जग्राह he accepted or took sharasanam the arrows then कीदृशं शरासनं जग्राह what type of bow and arrows did he take bow sharasanam so he took the bow Aindram what type of bow did he take Aindram sharasanam he took the bow of Indra Aindram given by Indras relating to Indra Punaha kim jagraha and again what did he take Khadgam jagraha he accepted the sword he also he not only accepted the dhanuhu sharasanam but also sword okay Punascha kim jagraha again what did he take accept Tuni jagraha he accepted 2 quivers quivers are the boxes in which arrows are kept tuni so tunihi tuni tunayah tunim tuni dvitiya dvivachana ikaranta pullinga shabdah so tuni dvayam iti tuni jagrah he accepted 2 quivers again kidrushau tuni jagrah what type of quivers did he accept or take akshaya sayakau tuni quivers which were having what is inexhaustible arrows in them quivers with inexhaustible arrows he accepted inexhaustible okay that is all anvayartha
परम प्रीतः रामः अगस्त्य वचनात् ऐन्द्रं शरासनं खड्गम् अक्षयसायकौ तूणी च जग्राह
so परमप्रीतः अत्यंत प्रीतः रामः अगस्त्य वचनात् अगस्त्य मुनेः वचनात् ऐन्द्रं शासनम् इंद्र संबंधी शासनम धनुः खड्गम अक्षय सायकौ तूणी च जग्राह he accepted these things with the word of Agastya Maharshi so that is one line only we will go to padartha more clarity paramapritaha atyantam prasannaha ramah iti tatra avagatah bhavati shabdah Agastya Vachanat, Agastya Kathanat, at the instance of, at the request, at the word of Agastya. Aindram Pradattam, Indrena Pradattam, given by Indra, Aindram. Okay, Sharasanam, Dhanuhu. Khadgam, Krupanam, Talwar, Hindi Bhashayam, Krupan, Kirpan. 6 say Kirpan. So Krupanam, Khadgam, Akshaya Sayakau, Nasha Rahita Vanau, inexhaustible arrows. Okay. Tuni, another word for this Nishangaha. This is Pullinga Shabda. Nishangaha, Nishangau, Tunihi, Tuni. Nishangau Jagraha Agrahit Jagraha is lit Agrahit is lung Jagraha accepted so Punaha okay only this much Bhavartham Padathu
Atyantam prasannah Sriramah Agastasya Ajnaya इन्द्रेण प्रदत्तं धनुः अपि च कृपाणां नाशरहितबाणवाहकौ तूणी च अग्रहीत।
अत्यन्तं प्रसन्नः श्रीरामः परमप्रीतः श्रीरामः अगस्त्यस्य आज्ञया वचनात् इन्द्रेण प्रदत्तं इन्द्रेण समर्पितं ऐन्द्रं धनुः शरासनम् अपि च कृपाणं खड्गं नाशरहितबाणवाहकौ द्वौ तूणी च टू क्विवर्स having inexhaustible arrows. He accepted. Agrahit, Jagraha nama Agrahit. At the instance of Agastya himself, he accepted with supreme delight a bow, a sword, a pair of quivers containing an inexhaustible store of arrows. So inexhaustible means if you take out one arrow, another will be immediately substituted. Arrows will not get exhausted. That is the Akshaya Sayaka. Nidarsanam. Vyakarnamshan. Pashamah. Sandhihi. Sarla. Agastya Vachanat plus cha plus eva already given. Shutva and Vruddhi Sandhi. Fine. Next. Chakshaya Sayakau. Akshaya Sayakau. This is Savanadika Sandhi. Chakshaya. Cha Akshaya Sayakau. Sayaka Banaha. Sayaka Nama Bana. Akshaya is its nature. Sharasanam. Shara Asanam. Savanadika. Shara plus Asanam. Sharasanam. Parama Prita तूणी परम प्रीतः प्लस तूणी विसर्ग संधि जग्राह ऐन्द्रम जग्राह ऐन्द्रम वृद्धि संधि जग्राह ऐन्द्रम इति संधयः समाप्ताः ख समासः अगस्त्य वचनात् अगस्त्य वचनम अगस्त्य वचनात् शरासनम
शराणाम् असनं षष्ठी तत्पुरुष।
शराणाम् असनं षष्ठी तत्पुरुष। Bow, Sharasanam means Sharanam. Sharanam Asanam. You know, you take a Shara, an arrow, and how do you throw it? With the help of the bow. Bow only throws, na? So you keep the bow, of course that twine will be there, that string will be there, bowstring. You keep in the bow, pull the string and then release it. So it is called Sharanam Asanam. The thrower of the arrows, literally. Asanam, asa to throw, Asanam. Okay. Paramapritaha, Paramascha, Paramapritaha, Karmadharaya Samasa. Akshaya Sayakau. Sayakaha Tau. Yes, Akshaya Sayakau. This is an adjectival to Tuni. Akshaya Sayakau Tuni. This is Visheshana to the Visheshya Pada Tuni. Two quivers having inexhaustible arrows. Akshaya Sayakau Tuni. Iti. Nishangau. If you take another word, it is rhymes, sound same. Akshaya Sayakau Nishangau. Two quivers with inexhaustible arrows. Akshaya Sayakau Au. It is then Akshaya Sayakau Nishangau. This is original text is Tuni, but if you take Tuni out, put Nishanga Shabda, it also goes Au. Sayakau Nishangau. You know by now that every word in Sanskrit derives by the ending. Whatever, maybe it's ending Takaranta, Nakaranta, Sakaranta, Akaranta, Ikaranta. The beginner should not get baffled with so many antas in Sanskrit. If you learn one Akaranta, you are learning majority of the words. Next, Akshayaha, na Akshayaha, yasya bahuri. Yasya saha Akshayaha. Taditanta Aindram. Indra Aniti Pratyaya Indrasya Idam. in the sense of Indrasya idam, this belongs to Indra, therefore Aindram. Vyutpatti, he is showing the derivation. Vyutpatti means derivation of the word Sharasanam. Sharaha asyante, that is what I told you. Sharaha asyante, asyante means are released, thrown. Sharaha, the arrows, asyante are released, otherwise kshipyante, kshipa to throw. Arrows are released or arrows are thrown, literally, anena iti, by this. Therefore, it is called Sharasanam. That is how Dhanuhu, it is Sharasanam. Okay, now very soon only one sloka, na? So Abhyasa is coming, 24th Abhyasa. Vivarana anusaram slokat padhani chitva riktastane likhata. That's very simple. Akaranta napumsakalinga panchami ekavachana, already given. Agastya vachanat. Graha iti dhatoho kartari, active voice, lit perfect tense, prathama purusha, ekavachana. What is that word? Last word, jagraha. So lit, the only verb in lit prayoga, lit lakara is jagraha, took, accepted. Ga, nischayarthakam avyayam. What is the avyaya you find here?
Yeah, eva.
Eva, yes. Sorry. Ikaranta pullinga dvitiya dvivachanam. What is that word? Tuni. Telugu bhashayam tuni iti kaschana pada kinchit padam asti sha. Tuni, right. Anyway. Ikaranta pullinga dvitiya is tuni. As we have just now recalled Srinivas, tunihi it is. Ikaranta kavi shabda like. Understand?
Sure.
You know kavi shabda na? Kavihi, kavi, kavayaha. Like that, kavim, kavi, kavin, tuni. Then, akaranta pullinga dvitiya dvivachana. What is the word? Sayakau. Akaranta pullinga dvitiya dvivachana. Akshaya sayakau. Akaranta pullinga dvitiya ekavachana. Khadgam. Dvitiya ekavachana is khadgam. So, evam rupena slokastan padani vayam idanim chitavantaha. We have collected the words of this description from the sloka. Dvitiyamshaha chaturvimshati vimshe abhyase dvitiyamshaha pratis patitasya slokasya padachedam purayata. Now we just complete the splitting here. Agastya vachanacha. What is inverse? Agastya. Eva comes.
Eva.
Jagraha Aindram Sharasanam
Khadgam cha Parama Pritaha Tuni cha
Sayakau Akshaya Sayakau. Okay, you repeat it. Agastya Vachanacha Eva Jagraha Aindram Sharasanam Khadgam cha Parama Pritaha Tuni cha Akshaya Sayakau. Good. Can they do? They can do it now. 3. Visandhim kuruta. Break the sandhi here. Cha eva, it is done for you. Kushasanam. Kusha plus asanam. Now this is not in the text. It is just like Sharasanam. Kusha plus asanam, kushasanam. Tatastataha, very simple. Tataha plus tataha, visarga sandhi. Padaravindam. Pada plus aravindam. Savarna, dirgha sandhi. Pada plus aravindam. Sneha siktaha. Sneha siktaha. It could be yes, Savarna only. Sneha plus asiktaha. Samantat siktaha. Drenched with sneha, love. Sneha plus asiktaha. Sneha siktaha. Tathaiva. Tatha plus eva. Vruddhi sandhi. Vruddhi sandhi, above one is Savarna dirgha sandhi. Very simple only. 4th. Yathochitam yojeta. Now join. Let's match the following. Jagraha goes with which verb? Graha. Ga. 2. Chakara.
Gam.
No. Chakara. Chakara, what is the root? Now the verb. Kru dhatu, yes. That is ga. Ga, gha. 3. Papatha. Patha. So these are the verbs in a lit form. Their mula dhatu is given to the right side. Shashaka. Shak. Shashaka was able to shak. That is ng. Then 5th, chakhada. Khada. Chakhada, khada. That is cha. Jagama, top one, gam. Gam jagama. Reduplication it is called. One word gets repeated here. Gam jagama, pat papata, graha jagraha, kru chakara, shak shashaka, khada chakhada. Like that. So these are lit forms. Liti rupani, kriyapada rupani etani sarvani. Tesham dhatavaha dakshina bhage dattaha santi. Panchamamsham Srinivasa. Vigrahavakyam vilikhya, writing the Vigrahavakya. Samasam nirdishata. Find out what samasa it is. And one is done, 4 you have to do. Maharnavaha. This is a samasa. Samasta padam. Mahan cha asau arnavaha. Arnavaha nama samudraha. Maharnavaha. Mahan cha asau arnavaha cha. This is karma dharaya samasa. For example, Mahapurushaha. How do you do the Vigrahavakya? You can do it. Mahan cha asau purushaha cha. Mahan in Sandhi, Mahan cha chasau. Mahan chasau purushascha. We make Sandhi also there. If you split for understanding, better understanding, Mahan cha asau, this person, purushaha cha. Purushascha you can join Sandhi. Like that, Mahan cha asau arnavaha. Maharnavaha. Arnavaha nama samudraha. Okay?
Yes.
C. Next. Kushasanam. Kushanam asanam. A seat of grass. Kusha is grass. Kusha grass. Kushanam asanam kushasanam. A asana, a seat made of grass. Right?
Which samasa?
This is Tatpurusha. If you go in detail, Shashti Tatpurusha. Kushanam, we are saying, na? Kushanam asanam. Kushasanam. Rama Lakshmano. You should be able to. Ramahacha Lakshmanascha Dvandva. This is done. Ramascha Lakshmanascha. Charthe Dvandva. We say Charthe. When cha is repeated in Vigrahavakya, it is bound to be Dvandva. So Ramascha Lakshmanascha or Ramahacha Lakshmana. Here you can make Sandhi. Ramascha Sandhi. Sutva or whatever. Visarga. Ramahacha Ramascha. Lakshmanahacha Lakshmanascha. So combinedly you get Rama Lakshmano. Similarly you can Kamsa Ravanau. Kamsascha Ravanascha. Kamsa Ravanau. Lava Kushau. Lavahacha Kushahacha. So Agastya Vachanat. Already we have, this is a texture. Agastasya Vachanat. Shashti Tatpurusha. Shashti Tatpurusha. Agastyasya Vachanat. Agastya Vachanat. Shashti Tatpurusha. Oh. Agastya Vachanat. If you give in detail, that is Agastyasya Vachanam. Agastya Vachanam. I have made it short. Agastasya Vachanat I took. Agastya Vachanam. That is the better understanding. And this is one from the text. First one is also not from. Sharasanam is not there. Anyway, Sharasanam is there. Kushasanam is not there. So, evam asmakam dvichatvarimshah slokah samaptah bhavati. Atra trichatvarimshah slokasya ardhavagah purvam patitah. So, one part is
खड्गं च परमप्रीतस्तूणे चाक्षयसायकौ वसतस्तस्य रामस्य वने वनचरैः सह
ऋषयोऽभ्यागमन् सर्वे ऋषयोऽभ्यागमन् सर्वे वधायासुररक्षसाम्
सतेषां प्रतिशुश्राव राक्षसानां तदा वने।
पदच्छेदं करोमि। वसतः तस्य रामस्य वने वनचरैः सह ऋषयः अभ्यागमन् सर्वे वधाय असुर रक्षसाम् सह तेषां प्रति शुश्राव राक्षसानां तदा वने इति पदच्छेदः। पदपरिचयं कुर्मः श्रीनिवास। पदमस्ति वसतः।
वसत् शब्दात् तकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः षष्ठी एकवचनं।
वस्तुतः विशेषणरूपेण अत्र प्रयुक्तः। वसतः इति किं कीदृशप्रयोगः? न न न न प्रयोगः व्याकरणदृष्ट्या शत्रुप्रत्ययान्त। वसतः षष्ठी। वसन् वसन्तौ वसन्तः वसन्तं वसन्तौ वसतः वसता वसद्भ्यां वसद्भिः वसते वसद्भ्यां वसद्भ्यः वसतः वसद्भ्यां वसद्भ्यः वसतः वसतोः वसतां वसति वसतोः वसत्सु इति शत्रुप्रत्ययान्तरूपं वसतः इति द्वितीया बहुवचने बहुवचनं भवितुम् अर्हति। वसतः इति वसन् वसन्तौ वसन्तः वसन्तं वसन्तौ वसतः। पंचमी एकवचनं षष्ठी एकवचनं। त्रिषु प्रदेशेषु वसतः इति रूपं तत्र शब्दरूपं द्रष्टुं शक्यते। द्वितीया बहुवचने, पंचमी एकवचने, षष्ठी एकवचने। ओके। तस्य तद् दकारान्त वयं जानीमः। पुंलिंग षष्ठी एकवचनं। रामस्य वने अकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्ग सप्तमी। वनचरैः तृतीया। सह अव्ययम्। ऋषयः इकारान्त। अभ्यागमन्। अभि इति उपसर्गः एकः उपसर्ग। आ इति अन्यः उपसर्गः। उपसर्गद्वयं। गम् इति धातुः। सो उपसर्गद्वाभ्याम् उपसर्गाभ्यां युक्तः धातुः गम् इति। कर्तरि in the present tense लुङ् प्रयोगे प्रथमपुरुष बहुवचनम्। अभ्यागमन् approached, it means approached. ऋषयः approached। पुनः पदं सर्वे सर्वनाम शब्द। सर्वः सर्वौ सर्वे इति। वधाय वधाय अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग वधः इति। असुर रक्षसाम् सकारान्त। सह तद् दकारान्त सर्वनाम पुल्लिङ्ग प्रथम एकवचन। सह तौ ते सह तौ ते। प्रतिशुश्राव प्रति इति उपसर्गः। श्रु इति धातुः। कर्तरि लिट् प्रतिश्राव। राक्षसानाम् तदा अव्ययम् वने अकारान्त नपुंसक सप्तमी एकवचन। सर्वे ऋषयः अभ्यागमन्। नो दिस इज कमिंग, दिस इज अ प्रिंटिंग ब्लर हियर। आकांक्षा अभ्यागमन् अप्रोच्ड। अभ्यागमन् इति क्रियापदस्य अर्थः आंग्लभाषायाम् अप्रोच्ड इति। के अभ्यागमन् हु अप्रोच्ड? ऑल द sages approached. Whom did ऋषयः कुत्र अभ्यागमन्? Where did they approach? The sages approached near to Rama. ऋषयः किमर्थम अभ्यागमन? What for did the sages approach?
ऋषयः असुर रक्षसां वधाय वधं प्रार्थयितुम् अभ्यागमन्.
Rushaya, the sages, Asura Rakshasam Vadaya, for killing of these demons, Vadham Prarthayitum, to request for killing, for a request for the killing of the demons, Abhyagaman approach. Okay, sorry. Then over. Akanksha samapta.
Yes, sir.
Then Pratisusrava, another Akanksha is coming. Pratisusrava, heard. Kaha Pratisusrava, who heard? Sa Rama. That Rama heard. Saha Kesham Pratisusrava, whose words did he listen to?
Saha Tesham Pratishushrawa.
Their, oh, I'm sorry, Pratisusrava promised. Who promised? Kaha Prati, who promised? Who promised? Kshamitam. Rama promised. Saha Kesham, whom did he promise? Tesham Prati, he gave a promise to them. Saha Kim Prati, what promise did he take now? Saha Rakshasanam Vadham Pratishushrava. Srinivas. Promise or accept, whatever. Okay. अन्वयार्थं पठतु.
वनचरैः सह वने वसतः तस्य रामस्य समीपं सर्वे ऋषयः असुररक्षसां वधाय अभ्यागमन्. सः तेषां ऋषीणां राक्षसानां वधं प्रतिशुश्राव.
वनचरैः सह वने वसतः तस्य रामस्य. वनचरैः सह, along with the foresters, vane, in the forest, vasatah, while living, tasya ramasya, of that Rama. That Rama who was living along with the foresters in the forest, sarve rushaya, all the sages, asura rakshasam vadhaya, for the killing of the demons, abhyagaman, approached, literally approached, requested. Saha Ramaha, that Rama, tesham rushinam, to those sages, rakshasanam vadham prati shushrava, he promised or accepted the killing of those rakshasas. Idanim padartham pashyamah. Tada tasmin samaye. Kasmin samaye yada Ramah tasmin vane tatra vane nivasan asit tada. Ramah yada tatra nivasan asit tada. While Rama was living there in the forest. Vanacharaihi saha. Kirataihi saha. Foresters. Vane aranye. Vasataha nivasa. There is no other go. Nivasatha. While living. Dwelling. While dwelling is better. Tasya Ramasya. Again same. What can you substitute here? Tasya Ramasya. Sarve samastaha akhilaha rushayaha munayaha asurakshasam. I'm sorry. Asura rakshasam. Danava rakshasam. Now I pause here. This word is interpreted in two ways. One scholar has interpreted Asura Shabda, Asu plus Ra. In one of the classes in Ramayana only I told you. Originally the Asura Shabda meant gods. Remember? Asura did not mean Rakshasa, rather God. So here, okay, we'll come to the interpretation as offered, given by scholars of this, on this word. Asu plus Ra. Asu means life. Asun. Asavaha. Asuhu. Asu. Asavaha. It is like Ukaranta Pullinga Shabda Srinivas. Guruhu. Guruhu. Guru. Guravaha. Asuhu. Asu. Asavaha. Go to Dvitiya. No. Gurum. Gurum. Guru. Guruhu. Guru. Guravaha. Gurum. Guru. Dvitiya same na. Guru. Gurun. So asuhu. Asu. Asavaha. Asum. Asu. Asun. Asun. Ra here they say taker. Life taker. He takes away the life. Who is that Rakshasa? One interpretation. Ra means re. Gati reshanayoho. Reshana means himsa. Re dhatu is there, which becomes ra here. Asun rinanti iti asuraha. Those who take away the life. Who are they? Rakshasas. You can say the modern terrorists are asuras. In this sense. They are taking life away without any reason. Na? Asun, what Srinivas? Rinanti. Ri iti dhatoho prathama purusha bahuvachane rinanti. Take away or injure. It also means injure. They injure the life. That means they take away the life, isn't it? They kill, in other words. Therefore, they are called asura. This is one interpretation. Another interpretation which I gave you long back, that is by another Vedic scholar, Sayanacharya. A plus su plus raha. Listen. A plus su plus raha. How many words are there here? Letters? 3 letters are there. A plus su plus raha. The interpretation says raha is equal to rataha. If you want, I will show you on the board. Raha rataha su rataha. Srinivas. A plus su plus raha. I think better I demonstrate it. Interesting it is. Otherwise, show the board.
Yeah.
A plus su plus raha is equal to asuraha. That you know. Raha is equal to rataha. Raha is given as rataha. Rataha surataha. Then next step is given surataha. Surataha means well pleased. So, samyak, sustu. Surataha is equal to well pleased. See the way they derived. Asuraha, isn't it? A plus su plus raha. Ra is equal to rataha. Surataha, well pleased. Rataha, surataha, well pleased. Now, asurataha. Next step, asurataha. This means ill-pleased, they say. Ill, that is well-pleased. Asurataha. Asurataha, ill-pleased. What they say, ill-pleased from what? Sthaneshu. What is understood here is sthaneshu. This word is understood. Who are the asuras? No. Surataha means well pleased. Asurataha means ill pleased. Well pleased, surataha sthaneshu, in their places. People who are well pleased in their own positions, sthana, in their respective positions, they are called devatas. Or any gentleman. Okay? People who are pleased in their own way, in their own positions. Okay? In their places. They are surataha. Now, asurataha, who are not pleased, who are ill-pleased, where? In their respective positions. Sthaneshu, again you bring it. Sthaneshu, in their respective places. And therefore, so another, it further says, Srinivas, tehi na sustu rataha sthaneshu. Tehi na sustu rataha sthaneshu. It means this now. Te means rakshasaha or asuraha, whatever you take. Na sustu rataha. Famous. Tehi na. Oh, he I have written. You can say asura otherwise. This is understood here. Na sustu rataha. Tehi na sustu rataha sthaneshu, understood. They are not well pleased in their respective places. They are not well pleased, happy. They are not happy in their respective places. Who? The Rakshasas, Asuraha. Therefore, Achalaha. Asuraha, Achalaha. They are very fickle-minded people. And they cannot tolerate any good thing happening before them. That is what happened in the Ramayana case when Vishwamitra was conducting yajna. Rakshasa started disturbing that yajna and he had to take the help of Rama. Chapalaha ityartaha. So, tehi na te asuraha na susturataha sthaneshu ataha chapalaha iti artaha. This is given by Durgacharya. One commentator called Durgacharya, he has given this. Now, what I said earlier, Ra Dane, there is one Dhatu Srinivas. Ra Dane. Ra means to give dana. Applying this, Asun Rati iti asuraha. This is the definition also given in the Vedic context. Asun Rati. The one who gives the life giver. Who is the life giver here? God. So Asura in the Vedic times meant God. Later it became life taker. Life giver has become life taker. Understand? Asun Rinanti iti. It has become Asun Rinanti iti. Otherwise it is Asun Rati. So much is there. Okay. Next word you have to see. Padartham. Vadhaya. Srinivas. Vadhaya. Samharaya. For killing. Just before Asura Rakshasam. Now you understood the interpretation here. Asura Shabda originally meant this. Asun Rati iti Asuraha. One who gives the life giver. Later it became the life taker. Life terminator, life destroyer. Asura means life destroyer. Vadhaya Samharaya. Abhyagaman Samagatavantaha. Samagatavantaha. Called on, approached. Saha Ramaha. Tesham Rakshasanam Danavanam Vada. Pratisusrava Angichakara. Accepted from it. Okay. So this Abhyagaman you can understand is third person plural. Abhyagamat, Abhyagamatam, Abhyagaman. Like Agachat, Agachatam, Agachan only. But this is Lung Prayoga. Bhavartham Patat.
वनवासिभिः सह अरण्ये निवसतः राघवस्य सविधे राक्षसैः पीडिताः.
One more, just before that, Srinivas, one interpretation, one sentence I did not say. Asura is also explained. No, don't show them. Asura is also explained. Asa to throw. Just now we came across, na? When what is that word? Sharasan. Asa to throw. Asyante, Kshipyante, asa to throw. They are thrown from their original positions. Who? Rakshasas. We don't know whether originally it meant Deva. Maybe Devatas were thrown away from their positions and then they became the Asuras. It is very curious to note a fellow who is dropped from the ministry becomes against the government. He becomes totally against the government because he is dropped, thrown away from the position. When a man is thrown away from position, he becomes all the more wild. Right? So exactly the same thing. Beautiful interpretation. Astaha, thrown away. Cast away. Kshiptaha. Astaha sthanebhyaha. They are thrown away from their positions. And therefore they are become asuras. Nice, na?
Yes.
So whom should we call now in the present day? Any person who is thrown away from his position is asura. Astaha. Sthanebhyaha. Okay, right.
वनवासिभिः सह अरण्ये
निवसतः
राघवस्य सविधे राक्षसैः पीडिताः सर्वे ऋषयः राक्षसानां संहारार्थं
प्रार्थनायै. Okay, you pause there. Vanavasibihi saha, vanacharaihi saha, aranye, in the forest, nivasatha Raghavasya Ramasya. Rama, who was living along with the foresters in the jungle, Savidhe Samipe, Rakshasaihi Piditaha, Rakshasaihi Piditaha, Piditaha, Sarve api Rushayaha, Rakshasanam Samharartham, for killing the Rakshasas, Prarthanayai Agatavan. They came with a request towards Rama to kill the Rakshasas who are harassing them. Ramopi, okay.
रामोऽपि तेषां राक्षसानां वधं कर्तुं ऋषीणां प्रार्थनां स्वीचकार.
Now I am understanding. The asa means to throw away, thrown from their positions, therefore they are asuras. That interpretation if you take, why the Rakshasas of Ramayana time always came and disturbed the yaga? When yagna is performed, who is benefited? Tell me.
Oh.
Who is benefited? You.
They.
Devatas. When you are pleasing the Devatas, will they keep quiet? You are not pleasing the Rakshasas. You are trying to please the Devagana. So, because these people are dismissed from their positions, so they become angry and they want to disturb. Now, that is the understanding you should take. Why Rakshasas come to disturb the yagna? Because they cannot see the pleasing of the Devatas. Because when you do Havana, Indraya Swaha, isn't it? It is going to Indra. Indra, the Devatas are getting the benefit, and these fellows cannot see that benefit going to the Devatas. Understand?
Yes.
Right. Ramopi Rakshasanam Vadham Kartum Rushinam Prarthanam Svichaka. So he accepted for killing those Rakshasas. A wonderful analogy, Srinivas. This Rakshasa word, Asura. Okay, Hindi, English, not necessary. Nidarshanam, Vyakarnamsham. Sandhi, read. Vasatastasya. Vasataha tasya. Rushayo abhyagaman. Rushayaha visargasandhi. Vadhaya asura rakshasam. Asura rakshasam. Dirghasavana. Samasaha dvayam. Samasa dvayam. Vanacharaihi. Vane charati iti. Upapada tatpursha samasa. Taihi vanacharaihi. Vane charati iti vanacharaha. One who moves in the forest. Forester. Taihi, with those. Vanacharaihi. Foresters. Asurakshasam. Now here it is. Cha rakshamsi. Rakshamsi. Now you know rakshamsi, how is it derived? Rakshaha, rakshasi. This is sakaranta shabda. We have already seen in the Srinivas. Padartha, see? Rakshas shabda is covered. No. No. In Padaparichaya, sorry. Rakshasanam. Rakshas is not given. Padaparichaya not given. It is there, Srinivas. असुरक्ष सकारांत नपुंसकलिंग 147 page. Found it? Sarve vadhaya, below that. 147 page. Padaparichaya. No, Srinivas. 147 page. Where are you looking?
147.
Third one, Pada, right side.
Oh, right.
Asura Rakshasam. Asura Rakshas Sakaranta Napumsakalinga. That is. So here, come to this 149 page. Rakshamsi. Rakshaha, Rakshasi, Rakshamsi. That is it. Asurakshamsi, Dvandva, Tesham, Asurakshasam. Krudanta, Ekam. Vasataha, Vas, Shatru. Just now, I gave you the full derivation of Vasan, Vasantau, Vasanta, etc. Vasat. Gha, part, Karakam. Vadhaya, Vadham.
Vadham, Karayitum.
Kriyarthopapadasya cha karmani sthaninaha iti chaturthi. Why chaturthi means this rule is applicable. When you can say, listen Srinivas, aham gruham gacchami. Aham gruhaya gacchami is also correct, chaturthi. This rule comes. Gruhaya, because your action is going home, na? Kriyarthopapadasya cha karmani. In karma, you get chaturthi by this rule. Okay. Kosha? Ashravaha? Pratishravah. Ashravaha, Sangaraha, Sandha, Pratishravah, Samshravah, Prabha. So many words are there for what one word pratigna, that is promise, Srinivas. Pratishravah, Ashravaha, Sangaraha, Sandha. Sandha has come already. Satya Sandha. This word has come. Pratishravah, Samshravah, Pratigna also we know. Pratigna. Halayudha Kosha. This is from not Amara Kosha, another dictionary called Halayudha. So all these are used synonymously. Pariyaya, Pada, Padani, Etari Sarvanyapi. So here we come. Here we take on Abhyasa, Panchavimsha. Slokam, we'll do part 1. Amsha, Slokam Patita, Uttaram Likata. Ke Abhyagaman. Who approached? Who came over? Rushayaha Abhyagaman. Rushayaha Abhyagaman. Ramaha Kim Pratishrava. What did Rama promise? Ramaha Rakshasanam Vadhaya Pratishrava. That's it, na? Asura Rakshasam Vadhaya. That is the word you have to use. Ramaha Asura Rakshasam Vadhaya Pratishrava. Okay? Third one. Ga Rushayaha Kutra Abhyagaman. Where did these sages come over? Vane, that's all. Rushayaha Vane Abhyagaman. The sages approached in the forest. Atra sthapayitum shakyate. Shubham bhuyat.